What's up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, we have another try on haul. I actually wasn't planning on filming this video today, but I'm filming my skincare routine, and then I decided why not just put on some makeup and do a fun little try on haul with you guys. So for today's video, we are sponsored by Missguided. Missguided, you guys, is one of my ultimate favorite online stores. Like, I personally have spent so much of my own money on there. Like, I don't even know how much, but it's probably thousands by now. Anytime I know I want nice trendy pieces, Missguided is one of the first places that I hit up. Even before I worked with them, I shopped with them all the time and spent so much of my own money. Obviously, we are all in lockdown, so none of us are really going anywhere except for like a few essential errands here and there. I mean, I think I've left my house a total of like 5 or 6 times in the last 8 weeks, which is insane. But I mean, I don't really usually leave my house a lot anyways, but you know. But even though we are not really leaving our house during lockdown, a lot of us still want to look good and feel good, because I'm telling you, if you do not keep up with doing your hair, skin, and putting on a nice, fresh, cute outfit, I'm telling you, it's really gonna have an effect on your mental health. I have been there, I have done that. I know whenever I look good, I feel good, like I feel better, I'm more productive, I'm more happy, I'm less anxious, I'm more confident. So I'm gonna show you guys today a lot of really cute, comfy pieces that are perfect for lockdown. And also, I kind of threw in a few dresses, which, like I said, obviously I'm not really going anywhere, but I just thought it would be fun to like dress up and just feel good and get cute. So I did get a few cute dresses to show you guys, so I'm kind of excited for that. I mean, still, it's inspo, and you guys can wear them once we're not on lockdown anymore. So I'm excited to share with you guys everything that I got. Okay, so before we get started, I did mention that this video is sponsored by Missguided. I will also have all of the links to every single item that I mentioned in today's video down below. The links are affiliate links, which mean I do receive a small commission. So if you do choose to support me, then of course I always appreciate it. And I also will leave my coupon code down below. You guys can get an additional 10% off any sale that Missguided is having using my coupon code Amy10. So go ahead, check that out. Again, I will leave all the sizes and everything referenced down below. Okay, so of course I'm in my robe because I still have to try the items on for you guys, but I figured I'll kind of just share each piece, and then you guys will see the overview of the little vlog try on portion. So this dress right here I thought was just absolutely adorable. It kind of has that scrunchiness on the sides, which I always feel like really gives you a lot of shape. And it also is really easy to hide if you're wearing any shapewear underneath. Easy to hide any bumps or anything like that. So I love how easy to wear this is. I also love the neckline. I find that this is very slimming. No matter what weight I am at, this type of neckline always looks very slimming on me. I don't know what it is. Okay, so I got another dress, and this one does look really short, but it's perfect for my height. I'm 5'1", so this is actually perfect on me. If you are taller, it's probably gonna be a little too short on you, so it's perfect for us petite girls. But it's the prettiest like little peachy color, and again with the neckline, this one is not the asymmetrical, but this one's the off the shoulder, and I find that the off the shoulder plus the asymmetrical are so flattering. Like, I actually own a lot of off the shoulder and asymmetrical dresses because, again, they are just very flattering on me. And I thought the color was really pretty for springtime, this like peachy kind of corally color. So next I got these really cute track pants. They are like a nude kind of peachy flesh tone. I just thought they were perfect for going on a walk. It's spring right now, so you kind of still have that little bit of chill in the air. So the weather is perfect for just like sweatpants and a t-shirt. So I absolutely love these. They're also extremely soft. Like, one of the softest sweatpants that I own, and such an affordable price too. That's what I love about Missguided, is you're gonna get quality, but the price is still amazing. So I thought that this cropped black tee was absolutely perfect. Again, I just think it's a perfect throw on piece that's, one, so easy to style, but two, so comfortable. Like, I can see myself wearing this on a walk with literally no bra on. I mean, hands up if you haven't worn a bra in weeks. I mean, I'm gonna have to put a bra on for this video, and it's kind of depressing. I feel like that's the best part about this whole lockdown thing, is not wearing a bra. But seriously, because it's black, I feel like you could get away with not wearing a bra. Anyways, why am I so focused on not wearing a bra? Whatever, anyways. It's like the cutest. I did get this in a size 8, even though it was already oversized, because I really wanted it to be loose. I didn't want it to be like a fitted look. I wanted it to be like super loose, and then I could wear it with the track pants. So I love this. I feel like it's good quality. It's just, I don't know, it's a really nice, good quality piece. And, oh, sorry, I got this in a 10. I got this in a 10 because I wanted it to be loose, not an 8. So I got this bodysuit because again, the neckline is so flattering. It is an off the shoulder. And again, like I said, the off the shoulder just looks so slimming. And not only is it slimming, I always just feel like a little extra sexy and confident in it. I feel like because it shows off the collarbone, one of my favorite like parts of my body to show, I don't know, for some reason, it's like my chest and my collarbone. I feel like it's the perfect opportunity to like put on some shimmery body lotion or shimmer oil, contour your neck, your collarbone, and it just looks really pretty. A little bit of highlighter on the shoulder. I just love it, this type of neckline. So yeah, and it is a thong bodysuit, which is great. And I do love the buttons going down. I always love the little buttons. I find that they're such a nice touch because you can open them up if you really want to show a little bit of boob cleavage or keep it with just the chest showing. So yeah, I thought this was absolutely adorable. This one is kind of more of like a fitted slash relaxed tee style, and I really liked that because I thought it would pair perfectly with one of the track pants. And it is as well a thong bodysuit, which is great. You don't have to worry about any panty lines or anything like that. That's one thing with bodysuits that I do hate, is if you wear them, it's gonna have a panty line, and I hate that because I never do that. I'll always wear a thong so I don't have panty lines, but then the bodysuit ruins it. So I love that this is a thong bodysuit, and it's just such a clean, perfect white. I love that because sometimes when I buy like white tees or white bodysuits, okay, but like white tees, I want it to be a nice crisp white, and then sometimes you get them in the mail and they're like a creamy white, and I'm not a huge fan. I like my tees to be like a crisp white. So I love this one, and I picked this one up in a size US 8 because I did want it to be a little bit more of like a fitted, relaxed style and not so oversized. So next piece I thought was really cute. It's actually a set because I thought this would be perfect. A lot of us, obviously right now, almost all of us, are on lockdown right now. So we're doing nothing but staying home in like lounge sets, PJ sets. So this is the perfect PJ, I dropped the shirt, PJ slash lounge set. Here is the top, and the top is a cute little crop top, and I just love it. Like, I'm gonna feel all cute with my little belly showing with this, and it's a really pretty peach color. I will say I think the pants are going to be a little too long on me. First of all, they're really big, but that'll be nice because it'll be like loose. But I can just tell these are gonna be too long on me. They're made for more normal sized people, not fun sized. I'm fun sized, but they are really cute. So if you could get them hemmed too, or since a lot of us have time on our hands, you could just hem them yourself, cut them, or you could just cut them. That's probably what I'll do, just cut them, like literally. Welcome to my life. I'm 5'1". I literally cut everything. All my pants, I cut them all. Anyways, I thought this was the perfect cute little lounge set. I'm actually really excited to try this on. Like I said, I tried all the pieces on before filming this, but I haven't tried this one on because I left it downstairs. So I'm excited. It also is really soft. It's like a really soft, smooth material. You know the material that just feels good on your butt? Ladies, your man will thank you for this. Okay, so I got 2 more dresses. I actually got more dresses than I thought. I guess while I was shopping, I was just trying to feel cute, tired of just, well, maybe not tired, because my favorite thing to wear is athleisure wear and casual wear, but sometimes, you know, your girl wants to get a little bit cute. So I think I was in the mood while I was shopping. But again, another off the shoulder neckline. This one is super cute because the actual neckline, I mean, you won't be able to see it until I try it on, but you can kind of see it as I'm holding it up. The actual neckline goes down in a little bit of a V shape, which again is super flattering for your cleavage, and it's very feminine too, and it's just very pretty. This one is a little bit shorter, but it is really pretty as well, and it does have the ruching down the center, so again, very easy to hide any bumps or anything like that. If you're subconscious or self-conscious about your stomach or anything like that, this is very, you know, it's just very slimming, very beautiful piece, and I love black dresses. I am obsessed with this. Like, absolutely obsessed. Okay, this is so me. So again, it's an off-the-shoulder dress, but it is in the perfect gray color that I'm just obsessed with. Not only is it in the perfect gray color, it has the cutest little belt in the entire world. Like, why do I get excited about these things? Just like a cute little belt. I love that because I just love simple, minimal. You guys know me, my whole style, everything from hair, makeup, home decor, fashion, like my entire existence is very simplistic, minimalistic, and just very sleek, minimal style. So I get excited about these basic pieces that just have a little bit of something to them. that little flare, and I just feel like it's such a cute little, very minimal touch to just make it stand out and a little bit different. And I just love this piece. I think it's so beautiful. I love this gray color. It looks really good on me. All right, you guys, so that is pretty much it for this haul. I really hope you guys just enjoyed chilling with me, trying on all these new pieces and seeing some great pieces for lockdown, but also some great inspo for when all the restaurants open and we want to get cute and just go to our favorite restaurants that we miss so much. So don't forget to check out my coupon code. You can get an additional 10% off the sale that is already happening using my coupon code Amy10. Again, I will link everything in the description box down below. I'll leave my size for reference. I'll link everything in order. I always do that, no matter if it's a makeup tutorial, fashion video, like whatever, any video I do, I link every item in the order that I use it so that it's very easy to find. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye guys. Mwah.